This problem asks for us to evaluate whether a string of parentheses is valid. We'll solve this in linear time using a stack of characters called st. Now, for each character in the string, if the character is an opening parenthesis, then we'll simply push onto the stack the closing version of the corresponding parenthesis. In this way, if we ever encounter a closing parenthesis, we simply have to make sure that the top of the stack is equivalent to the closing parenthesis that we found. So we can copy and paste this condition twice for the other two kinds of parentheses. However, only one of these is going to be true, so we can use else if, and then simply swap out the type of parenthesis, just like that. Now our final condition is going to be if we encountered a closing parenthesis. So if we encountered a closing parenthesis and our stack is empty, then we can return false because we have no parenthesis to close off. The other condition is if the top of our stack is not equal to the character, we can return false because we are closing the wrong type of parenthesis. Finally, we know we can pop off the top of the stack because we have just closed one of those parentheses off. And the last thing we have to do is return whether or not our stack is empty at the very end to know that we have closed all necessary parentheses. Now, if I run this, I'll find that I forgot to name stack. But other than that, everything seems to be working great. If you enjoyed the solution, please subscribe for more. Have a wonderful day. Adios.